Back after the third day of deliberations, there is still no verdict in the Ray Tensing retrial. The former UC officer is charged in the 2015 shooting death of Sam DuBose. Jurors are sequestered for the evening. They will continue deliberating tomorrow morning. So far, the jurors have spent about 18 hours deliberating. I am joined now by defense attorney Carl Lewis. Carl, thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me. Thank you.
So 18 hours, how can you read into that number, or can you?
I don't think you can not read into it, or because the jurors are doing their job. I applaud their efforts, and everyone has to understand this is not an easy job. They're sequestered. They're away from their families, they're away from their loved ones, they're away from their jobs, and not in the typical jury fashion. You go home, you can see your family, you can come back the next day. They are sequestered. No phones, no television other than maybe movies and DVDs, no news. They're cut off from the world, and their only job is to reach or attempt to try to reach a verdict. So it's a very, very hard job for them. You can't read anything into it. They're working.
Okay, they're working. But how can the pressures of being sequestered affect the outcome?
I think that it doesn't per se affect the outcome. What's going on is that people are trying to do what they took an oath to do. Stu Matthews, the prosecuting attorneys, they've all done their job. Now the jurors, as I said, are working, and it's a very, very difficult job. You're trying to reach justice, whether it's guilty, not guilty, or deadlocked again. So again, I don't know that you can read anything into it because it's difficult to say what they're thinking about or what they're hung up on, if they're hung up at all. It could be 11 to 1, 10 to 2. They could say, hey, you know what? They could very well say, let's talk about it tomorrow. Let's leave that issue alone. We don't know what the jurors do other than working.
Assuming there's a debate point, what do you think the big debate points are in terms of what they're discussing and trying to render a decision?
Remember, when the jurors took their oath, is that they would do their best to look at all of the evidence,
Which is a lot.
It's a lot. So
yeah,
we don't know. Maybe they're thinking about testimony. Maybe they're looking at the video. Maybe they're saying, you know, maybe let's dissect it and look at this issue. Or maybe they could say, look, we've reached a decision, but is it the right decision? Are you sure that's the decision? We just don't know. Jurors could be hung up on a multitude of things. I've done this a long time, and sometimes with lawyers get a little arrogant, you know, say, look, they're hung up on the fact that the state didn't prove their case, or they're hung up on the fact that the defense is not right. It may not even be that. Once you talk to the jurors, you say, that's what you were hung up on? Are you kidding me? So you never know.
So are you willing to hazard a guess or make a prediction as far as how you think this is going to go?
Again, it's just my 1 cent, not even 2 cents. It's my 1 cent. I believe that the jurors are deadlocked and will be deadlocked even when they return. I would be very, very surprised.
Why do you believe that?
Because it's always goes well for the defense the longer it takes. If this was a case where the jurors went in there and said, look, I believe the state has met its burden of proof, we're going to find him guilty. It doesn't take 18 hours to do that if all 12 agree. Or they find him not guilty on one count, guilty on another. And a lot of people assume it's murder and then maybe manslaughter. It could be either way. It could be both or none at all. The jurors are very intelligent. They're working hard. And if they come back quickly, it's usually not a good sign for the defense because they've gone back and said, we agree, guilty. But right now, they're stuck.
All right. Well, certainly we're going to continue to follow it. Carl Lewis, thank you for your expert analysis.
Always glad to be here.
And we always appreciate it.
Thank you very much.
9 on your side. We'll be back at the courthouse when deliberations resume tomorrow. If the jury reaches a verdict, we will bring that to you live on air and on WCPO.com.